Today we will know what is intermittent fasting, benefits of intermittent fasting, what can you take during intermittent fasting, and precautions of intermittent fasting. Now let us know what is intermittent fasting. It is an action of fasting intermittently. It is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and voluntary fasting over the course of a single day or weeks or any other defined period. Intermittent fasting is a way of eating. Here you have 8 hours window to eat whatever you want, then you have to fast for 16 hours. Thinking it's difficult? No, not at all. Intermittent fasting can reduce your glucose and insulin levels in our body. So over time, your body weight and fat will reduce amazingly and you will have a more fitter body, you will be more active and you will enjoy every moment of your life. Insulin is the major hormone related to fat storage. Now when insulin levels dip down, then fat starts burning. Now in 24 hours during fasting, insulin levels can go down by about 70%. Here in this diagram we can see that fat burning starts right after 12 hours of fasting, and now you will have a more slimmer belly and you will be more active. Now there is two types of fasting regime, 14/10 and 16/8 regime. Beginners can start intermittent fasting by 14/10 regime. You have to take breakfast at 9 am, lunch at 2 pm and dinner at 7 pm. You can change the schedule, but 14 hours of fast must remain constant. 16/8 regime is more popular and it causes more fat loss. You have to take breakfast at 11 am, lunch at 2 pm and dinner at 7 pm. You can change the regime, but 16 hours of fast should be constant. Now intermittent fasting triggers autophagy. It is a natural regulated mechanism of the cell that removes unnecessary or dysfunctional components. It allows the orderly degradation and recycling of cellular components. Japanese cell biologist Yoshinori Ohsumi was awarded Nobel Prize in 2016 for his discovery of autophagy. Both intermittent fasting and autophagy has beneficial effects for our health. It helps in weight loss, cancer prevention, reversal of type 2 diabetes, it helps in anti-aging and life extension, helps in reduction of inflammation in our body, it decreases insulin resistance in our body. Intermittent fasting increases the growth hormone in our body, which helps in gaining lean muscle. Intermittent fasting helps to decrease blood pressure, cholesterol, triglyceride, and decreases the incidence of stroke. It also has beneficial effects for brain because it helps to increase brain activity and decrease diseases like Alzheimer's disease and cerebral atrophy. During intermittent fasting, you might feel a bit low in energy. You have to keep yourself hydrated, and also you can drink these types of drinks like lemon water, black coffee, herbal tea, green tea, wheatgrass juice or apple cider vinegar. These drinks are very low in calorie and won't break your fast. Now coming to precautionary measures, pregnant women and lactating women should not do intermittent fasting. Children below 12 years of age should not try intermittent fasting. Also, patients suffering from gastric ulcer or duodenal ulcer should not do intermittent fasting.